Ah, way they go. Dolbelia fast to begin brushing up Trinity Moon and running in the middle portion. Negligee alongside is Mr. Victory treasured up. Moving up down on the inside is Mooney Money. And on the further outside treasured up while Fun Embrace the favorite is the early trailer by about 6 or 7 lengths up the leader. Dolbelia, Trinity Moon, Mr. Victory as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Dolbelia enjoying but 3/4 of a length. Trinity Moon alongside Mr. Victory. Down on the inside, Port Mooney Money treasured up. Rushing up My Hope, Negligee, Fun Embrace, working towards the back. Trinity Moon, Mr. Victory from the outside. Mooney Money down on the inside. Dolbelia, My Hope racing in fifth by some 2 lengths treasured up. Negligee and the favorite Fun Embrace now running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Trinity Moon, Mooney Money down on the inside. Mr. Victory, My Hope getting closer in port. Negligee from the outside. Fun Embrace also rushing up down on the inside as they race the final corner. Mooney Money, Fun Embrace down on the inside. My Hope on the further outside. Trinity Moon, Mr. Victory. And ring last 200, My Hope is now the leader by some 2 lengths. Trinity Moon down on the outside and by the left Mooney Money entering the finish line. My Hope, Mooney Money, Trinity Moon, Mr. Victory, Fun Embrace, Treasure Up, Negligee, and Dolbelia.